That's my hashtag mood. Yeah, I live my truth.
Hashtag mood. I just wanna do my thing.
Here are the 3 most effective ways to do your steaming bath at home. The first way is to take your boiled herbs and put them in a bathtub filled only to your belly button. Sit, soak, and relax. The second way is the most traditional way, is a DIY Vsteam at home. What you'll need is a plastic bowl to pour in your boiled herbs. Take your plastic bowl, put it in the toilet, and sit. Then, take your blanket and wrap it around you just like this. And the most effective way to do a steaming bath at home is with the yoni steam seat. Reusable, and it fits most toilets. All you have to do is take your boiled herbs from your steaming bath and place them in the basin. Sit, soak, and steam. Easy. Thank you for watching this video, and to see more videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. Positive vibes only. To learn more about our products, read about them in the description below. This video was filmed at Pretty Kitty Boutique, where beauty begins on the inside, at 3064 Old North Cross Road in Duluth, Suite 210 upstairs. We're open every day except Sunday from 12 to 7 p.m.
Got nothing to lose, slept on me. Y'all some fools, cause I'm extra cool. Frio like a damn ice cube. Like I'm damn ice cube. Palette chick with attitude. Hashtag mood. I just wanna do my thing.